My engine bay is so dirty. Got the carbon everywhere. Got the front strut bar that I want. Yeah, all this carbon.
This is hella clean. This is what I want my car to be at one day. Holy. Especially with the fenders and all that carbon. Looks amazing. I have a 240 and I want to give it like a show car type thing because I have like 100. No worries. Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Those clips you guys just saw are from Driven Toronto. I went there last week with a couple of friends and had a really great time. My plan was to drop a whole entire video dedicated to that meet, but a couple of things went wrong. There was a lot of music playing in the background and I wouldn't be able to upload that due to YouTube's copyright policy. And also it was in a parking garage, so the audio was very echoey. And also there was just so much wind that if I did release a video, all the audio would be really bad. And some of you guys may have picked that up in the clips you guys just saw previous to this. And I also got to see Robbie Ferreira's Widebody Karma Kit BRZ, and honestly it looks completely different in person than it looks on camera. And I also supported him and bought some of his merch. I picked up a hat that you guys might have seen, he signed it for me, and I also got a Stay Committed jet tag. Really happy to get both of those things, and Driven was a really successful good meet. So with that all being done, we're gonna hop straight into today's video. As you guys know, we are installing a $100 mod onto the rear end of the FRS. I'm at Racing Bees. I get most of my things from here. I got my front lip from here, I got my side skirts and my duckbill from here. It's a pretty familiar spot for those of you that are in the GTA. If you guys haven't been here already, I definitely recommend checking them out. Now the mod that I picked it up from Racing Bees M1 Rear Window Visor. Now trust me, I know it's a very small thing, but it definitely adds a lot of character to builds, and I'm really excited to go ahead and throw it up onto the car, see if it actually looks nice on the build or not. So let's go, let's hop into the installation, and then I'll pick up the camera right after. As you guys just saw, we got the rear visor on. I'm gonna go ahead and give the car a little test drive. It is somewhat secure on there, but the thing with double-sided tape is that's realistically the only thing holding it onto the car. Personally for me, I don't really trust double-sided tape as much, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little drive, and let's hope that this rear visor does not fall off, because it does look really nice on the car. Okay, so it definitely survived. It didn't fly off, and it is pretty secure on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and trust it for now. But usually I don't trust 3M parts after what happened with this duckbill right over here, but I'm gonna hope that this stays on for a pretty long time. Also, today is a pretty windy day, so I apologize if you guys hear some wind. I'm gonna try my best to edit it out, but here is how the FRS is looking. The new $100 mod that we added onto the car, and in my opinion, it looks really, really good. So the reason why I went with this one instead of the other ones is the fact that I have this leg sport duckbill on the car. Now, as you guys can see, the duckbill kicks up a bit, and for the rear visor, I feel like it kicks up perfectly to match how the duckbill looks, if that makes any sense. But I'm really, really happy I chose this one out of the other ones. Now, this install literally took me 15 minutes to do, and I'm going over, double checking, making sure that there are no gaps. Oh, I do see a gap right there. I'll go ahead and try to fix that gap right there. But I'm trying to make sure that there's no gaps and this is installed properly. I now finally feel like the back end is complete. We did everything so fast. So if you guys don't know, we got this diffuser done not too long ago. I think it was about a month ago. Then we got this duckbill painted and on the car. And then we got these taillights at the beginning of the year, and now ending it off with the rear visor. So pretty much everything was done really, really fast. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I hope you guys do like the new $100 mod, and it definitely did transform the back end of the car. This is my favorite angle, and let's see how long this survives without flying off. Thing I don't like is the fact that you can see the 3M right over there. If you look closely, right there, right over here is the 3M. You can see that. I'm gonna try my best to get rid of that just because I don't like how that looks. I know it's very, very small, but small things do go a long way. And other than that, I feel like you can't really see the 3M. Okay, so I'm gonna be ending off today's video right over here. As you guys can see, the $100 mod definitely did add a lot to the car. Personally, I love it. The back end finally is starting to look complete. And this definitely isn't the end of the build. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys like it or not. And I quickly apologize about the audio. I realized while editing this video there was a lot of wind, and I just wanted to quickly apologize for that. So with that all being said, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below, as that helps out a ton. And also, if you guys can, please drop a like on today's video. And with that all being said, I will see you guys all in the next one.